Hello friends, it's Future Fusion here, and today's episode is something you won't want to miss, because Elon Musk himself is dropping some groundbreaking news. He's talking about the first ever operation to implant a Neuralink chip into a human brain. We're diving headfirst into a cyberpunk reality, thanks to a mind-blowing innovation from the Israeli tech powerhouse Bling Energy. We've also got an invisible camera from Zeiss Drive Xiaomi making waves with SU7 in the snow, showcased live for the world to see. Not stopping there, we're looking at an armored exoskeleton designed for the military and police force, and Kawasaki's unmanned helicopter that's setting records by lifting 200 kilograms on a rope. And SpaceX? They're out here launching not one, but 2 batches of Starlink satellites back to back. All this tech marvel, and we're just getting started. Let's dive in. Today marks a pivotal moment many have been eagerly anticipating, and others perhaps with a hint of skepticism. The first human has transformed into a cyborg, thanks to the innovative Neuralink implant. Founded over 4 years ago with the ambitious goal to bridge our human brains with computers, Neuralink is not just competing with AI but setting a new standard. Musk, in his typical fashion, initially focused on neurosurgery and improving life for those with limited mobility. In 2021, the world was captivated by a monkey controlling a screen cursor through a brain implant, a spectacle that was as entertaining as it was profound. Last fall, Neuralink started scouting for brave souls willing to pioneer the future of human evolution. To be eligible, you had to be over 22, paralyzed due to injury or disease, and free of other implants. The Neuralink implant, no bigger than a coin, snugly fits into a precision-drilled hole in your skull. It connects through 64 thin, flexible wires, penetrating the brain's cortex. This high-tech procedure performed by a specialized surgical robot, establishing over 1,000 communication channels between your brain and the device. Musk's ultimate vision? To enable people to communicate faster than ever before. Imagine Stephen Hawking speaking faster than a seasoned auctioneer. With Neuralink, human capabilities are set to skyrocket. But Neuralink isn't alone in this tech race. Companies like BlackRock, Neurotech, Synchron, and BrainGate are hot on its heels. If not for the regulatory hurdles, we might already be living in a full-blown cyberpunk era. Switching gears, Blink Energy from Israel introduces Blinkit, a game-changer for wireless charging of electronic lenses and eye implants. Imagine a device that attaches to your eyelid, powering your vision without ever needing to take it off. This is where the future of energy meets the gateway to the soul. Meanwhile, Zeiss from Germany is redefining stealth with a camera so advanced, it's invisible to the naked eye. Placed on glass, it's virtually undetectable, promising applications that span from smart glasses to automotive innovations. And for the automotive enthusiasts, Xiaomi's Leijun is stirring up excitement for the SU7 electric car, with a winter test drive video that showcases not just the car's sleek design, but its dynamic performance on ice. Olympian Motors is taking electric vehicles to the next level with Model 01, blending luxury with performance and eco-conscious materials to deliver an unmatched driving experience. And for those who crave adventure, Cyrusher's Ripple snowboard, equipped with an electric motor, is redefining winter sports, offering speed and agility across any snowy terrain. Lastly, the French Gendarmerie is about to get an upgrade with Mailer Protection's bulletproof Exom exoskeleton, offering unparalleled protection and mobility. Kawasaki's cargo drone K-Racer is pushing the boundaries of unmanned aerial capabilities, while SpaceX continues to lead the space race with back-to-back launches of its Falcon 9 rockets, deploying Starlink satellites to orbit. There you have it, a glimpse into the future, where technology not only enhances our lives, but redefines the very essence of human capability. Stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with the cutting edge of high technology. Peace to your home.